Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking, guys. So today I'm gonna make some plantain porridge with oats. So guys, this is that's the porridge that is already made, and I'm breaking up some crackers in it. Yes, most people from Jamaica like to put bread or crackers in their porridge, guys. So that's the beginning of, that's the ending of the video with I'm breaking up the crackers in the porridge, and that's how it look. And then I'm gonna stir and mix everything together and eat it, guys. So right here, guys, that's the plantain already peeled and cut up, and here I'm boiling out some cinnamon powder in water, and right here, guys, I'm adding the plantain to my bullet, guys, to blend it out. And yes, guys, right here I'm adding some oats, because you need some oats or flour or cornmeal, something to make the porridge thick, guys. So there you go, guys, I'm using oats instead. Right here, guys, I'm blending out the plantain and the oats together so that we can use it to make the porridge. And there you go, guys, I'm adding the ingredients to the boiling water. And then I'm gonna stir everything together to get it to thick up, guys. So right here I'm adding some more, and I'm mixing it, guys. So guys, you're gonna have to stir very fast so that this thing won't get lumpy. So you have to keep stirring it very fast to get it to get thick without getting it lumpy, guys. So that's what I'm doing right here. So right here, guys, you see that the porridge is getting thick. It's the oatmeal that's what gonna make it get thick, guys. So just have to keep stirring, and if it's too thick, guys, just add some hot water. Always boil some water in your kettle, so if it get too thick, you just add some boiling water to thin it out a bit. So there you go, guys, the porridge is boiling. I'm stirring it again to make sure it's not too thick. We're in the consistency right now is pretty good. So guys, I'm gonna use some sweet condensed milk to sweeten the porridge. I put some, it already have cinnamon and nutmeg and salt in it, guys. So there you go, guys, I'm gonna add some vanilla. So that's my vanilla, guys. I'm gonna add some almond extra. So guys, you could put whatever spice you want in your porridge, but I'm only putting those ingredients: cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and almond extra, and that's my condensed milk, guys. I'm not adding any sugar, guys, because the condensed milk already have sugar and it is sweet, so you don't need to add sugar unless you like extra sugar. But for me, I don't need extra sugar, so I just use the milk alone. And now I'm gonna stir everything in, stirring all the ingredients that I just put in there so it could get sweet and everything will be combined together. So there you go, guys, I'm stirring everything, the milk. I'm stirring out the milk in this, guys. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share, and thank you so much for your support, and may God continue to bless you. So guys, at the beginning of the video, you can see where I poured the porridge in my bowl, and I had some crackers. So you could have crackers or bread in your porridge, unless you want to just have it just like that without anything extra. But as I say, Caribbean people like extras. Yes, guys, Caribbean people love extra stuff in their porridge, so that's why I put the crackers inside here. So you can use crackers or bread. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe, and share, and take care of yourself until next time.